I wouldn't say it's a very good product, but hello everyone, it's me Sampurna Karmakar, and if you are seeing this face for the first time, don't forget to consider subscribing, but only after watching this video and only if you like. So first of all, wishing every one of you a very happy Rakshabandhan. Also, Rakshabandhan में तैयार होने के लिए I thought why not bring a get ready with me video for Rakshabandhan special. इसमें एक twist है. I will be creating a Rakshabandhan very subtle nude kind of a look, but with only one brand, that is nybae. मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले I dropped a poll on my Instagram stories saying that which one brand tutorial do you guys want to see. So most of them voted for nybae, so I thought let's bring it. बहुत बड़ा intro हो गया. Without any further ado, let's get started. So I am ready with all the nybae products in here. बहुत सारे products हैं. I have washed my face and prepped it like I am ready for it. I have got my brushes. I have got my beauty blender, soap and everything. Yeah, so to start with, I have the nybae serum with milk peptides. That was the outer packaging and this is how it looks. I will link everything in the description box, so do check it out if you want. Oh, this is like a cream. So drop it ke sath नहीं करता है ना. This is मेरा serum mode. Smells good though. I think this much should be enough. Okay. So it has absorbed very quickly to the skin and it's not that chipchupa. I think it worked. Moving on to the primer, I have there nybae Blur-In Primer. I think this is a really good primer. It was a silicone based primer and it has done its job. Pores को अच्छे से minimize कर दिया है. And there's a glow on the skin. I think that is because of the serum. Foundation, I have their nybae Runway Foundation Concealer Contour Color Corrector Stick. This is how it looks. I bought it in the shade 7 Backstage Fun in Warm Beige. So this is how it looks. I think it's a pretty good match. I think थोड़ा सा लाइट हो गया. थोड़ा सा ये लाइट हो गया. I've got my beauty blender. I'm going to blend this. I think blend होने के बाद it looks better ना. मतलब उतना पता नहीं चल रहा है कि. Good. It has the shade of medium coverage, but I like it. मतलब it's good for. I quite like it. Moving on. For concealer, I have their nybae HD Spotless Liquid Concealer. How the outer packaging is, and this is the product. It's बहुत white है, and I'm scared. Very good coverage, although थोड़ा सा लाइट हो गया मेरी स्किन के लिए. हाँ, but nonetheless blend बहुत अच्छे से हुआ है. I love it. For contour, I have their nybae contour stick. Contour, I love it. You know very well. I've been using this since a very long time now. It's been more than a year, I guess. Okay. Moving on for brows, nybae Brow Clean Bridge Eyebrow Pencil. I'm just gonna okay. Very smooth. The eyebrow pencil is amazing. It's smooth, it glides very well, very pigmented. I mean, not like too much over the top, but fairly pigmented, I would say. So, I love this. Alright, moving on to the compact, I have their nybae Legend Wait For It Dairy Compact. carry very with SPF 40. This is how it looks. Still is good, but if you don't like smell, you can come back. That is it. Anyways, I'm just gonna take and grab my under eye and the lid. I think it's a pretty good match. Done with the compact. I think the compact, I won't comment much on it. This is my first time. It has done a good job. Not a brilliant job, but yeah, I quite like it. Moving on to my favorite part, that is the eyeshadow. But festive look है और obviously कहीं बाहर जाना नहीं है. So I thought, why not keep it very subtle, and I just bought one eyeshadow from there. Single eyeshadow palettes, that is nybae Blinking eyeshadow in the shade Woolworth 18. This is how it looks, and this is a very total lot, so cute. This is how it looks, and this is the shade. I think this will look very pretty in the eyes. A blending brush and take a good amount of, place it at the edge and take it all over the lid and blend it. Oh, this is so pigmented. This is so pigmented. Just blending the whole thing all over the lid, trying to keep it very subtle. Right now I'm going to take a flat brush and blend this in the bottom. Not too much, just a bit. There you go. This looks so subtle and so pretty, I cannot even tell you. This is a very good product. It is so blendable, it is so soft. Love it. Moving on, for the Kohl, I have the big apple of my eye, Kohl by nybae. Okay, this looks. This is pigmented, guys. This is pigmented and it is gliding. Okay.
What we do here is go back.
This looks very pretty. For their eyeliner, I have nybae's eyeliner. Just a bit of eyeliner. I like this one. This is very affordable, and I think this one was off ₹60 or something. Love it. It's shed black, and जब ये dry हो जाता है. For blush, I did not get any nybae's blush, so I thought let's get a lipstick instead and we'll do the same thing. I got this shade from their Runway matte lipstick with argan oil. And I'm going to apply this on my cheeks and blend it upwards. Alright, for highlighter, I have their nybae Night Sky Illuminator in the shade Empire State Light Show. This is a liquid highlighter. बहुत ज़्यादा गोल्डन है. This is not blending, you guys. I did not like that highlighter, honestly. Okay, moving on to the lipstick. I have their nybae's Shakti liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade 4 Cool Cha-Cha. Okay, and fun fact, this is Shakti from the dance India Dance Shakti. I'm a big fan of hers. Let's see how this love the shade. And they did not have a mascara. I think it was out of stock when I placed the order. Also, they did not have setting sprays, so I don't have a setting spray as well. So I'll just go off camera, put on some lashes, and be right back. Wait. Alright, so this was the final look and I hope you guys like it. Again, wish you all a very happy Rakshabandhan to all the brothers and sisters out there. That is all for today's video. I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye.